Hello everyone, my name is Samit Kumar and I am a data analyst and business analyst. Today I am going to start a new series on SQL. So let's understand what is SQL. SQL, what is SQL? SQL is a computer language which work on structured data. Let's understand here. Here is a computer language used for store data, store data, manipulating the data and retrieving data. So you can store data, manipulate according to our requirement and retrieve the data requirement according to business or our according to our work. So SQL is invented by IBM in 1987 and SQL is a standard for structured query language. Why we use SQL? SQL programming is based on simple language. SQL is in a SQL we can work on a chart, we can work on a large data sets and easily query the data according to our requirement. So work on a large amount of data and controlled access. We have our control on a data set. We can add or manipulate data according to our requirement and use the data for business insights to retrieve the data, which is helpful for our growth of business. So, who use the SQL in day-to-day? Everyone, every single businessman, a business company use SQL to easily understand the trends of their their markets, trends of requirement of customer. So software developer, database manager, and businessman. So what is database? And first of all, what is data? Data which is gives the information about anything. Like I'm going to watch a movie in a theater. It also a data. What kind of movie I like. And during the movie, what type of snacks I order, or simply understand this easily to understand our day-to-day life. In day-to-day life, what we work whole day is also a data. How the Amazon company know about yourself? You need something, some masala movies or dramatic movies or horror movies, action movie. How? If you continuously watch on masala movie or horror movie according to your interest, the Amazon company have on database where the data is stored. according to your interest movie or according to your taste of movie. Amazon throw you Amazon throw the sorry not throw you Amazon show you according to your state taste of movie, action movie, etc. They continuously recognize to you to watch that type of movie. And also Amazon understand about us what kind of customer are watching his movies. The categories is called data, and where the data is stored, storeroom, not like this storeroom computer is called database. Here, this is the data about in the information about uh, school, school students, school student, student, school student. Here the data is stored. Here is his marks or the performance mark sheet usually stored in one second. Data store is stored in a computer. Here is a computer where and the missing if this is a individual or metadata data. That means a large data set, large, large data set where the data simply understand the where the data is stored is a database. So in the data, how the data is stored in a database in a structured way. Structured way means the data is stored in a table form. We have a specific column. The column have on data type in the or in a rows. And what is unstructured data type? Unstructured structured data type which like video, image, audio, or messy data, where the data is not stored in a tabular form. It's called unstructured data type. In a SQL, we work on structured data type. So in SQL, we have a column 1, A, B, C, D, E. These are columns. And these 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is called rows. A row. This is called rows. And here the border is border. So let's remove first. Called cell, where we store, we write our information. Such similar to Excel. Let's understand. If you understand, similar to Excel. And let's example school marks. So report card, student report card of the student. School, school. Student is so column student, age, gender, score, and rank. In a student column, the data type is varchar. 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 variable character. We have first string, then integer value. In age is int, gender is character, char, data type, char data type is int, and also integer. That is integer. So the data is stored in a data is on data types. So later what let's change the color of the green. What is DBMS? DBMS dividing. Let's divide. What we study later before, or sorry, we studied earlier about DBMS. Not a DBMS. It's DB. DB means database, or MS means management system. DBMS, the full form is database management system, where the data is stored in a structured way or maintained. There are some keys points. It allows to creation of a new database and their data structure. DBMS is allowed to modification of data. We can easily modify the data according to our requirement and allows to retrieve of data and retrieve the data according to our business requirement, which helps to grow our business. And fourth is allow the storage over a long period of time. So the data is stored in a SQL for a long time and enable to recovery in the time of failure. If the data is deleted, we can easily retrieve the data. Is the which is some the very useful feature in a SQL. It control access to user. The SQL is not controlled by any specific. It is always controllable or easily accessed by their user. And we can protect by the password who can watch or analyze the data, but the user can easily understand, easily use the. So today, for today, is for today it's only about DBMS. Till now, tomorrow we learn SQL queries. Before SQL query, understand the SQL commands such as DBML, DQL, or DCL, all these steps. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.